to the Wobbly Wheel Studio. Today we're doing an unboxing. Yes, it's going to be live, unedited, unscripted unboxing. Yeah, I'm sure you've never seen one of those before. Unboxing of this LED LightWizard. Now taking a look at the outside of the box here. It's in English and Spanish. Today we will be reviewing this in English because I really don't speak Spanish. Good reason. It's rectangle-ish, looks like a box to me. Yeah, I think we can do an unboxing on this. I'm pretty sure. This is create light shows instantly. Yeah, looks pretty standard. Yeah. Has motion effects. Wow. What kind of motion effects, you ask? Well, let's take a look. Steady glow, multi-speed fading, multi-speed blinking, chasing, shooting star, stacking, sparkle, crosswave, alternating, and combo. As I tell my wife, when in doubt, get the combo number 1, wherever. Okay, this is how it works. Number 1, pick your lights. That's a good idea. Plug and play. Plug and play. Okay? And best part is enjoy. 10 dazzling light shows. Ooh, a little safety flap. Nice. No tape keeping this closed. I'm so tired of those. Seriously, who are they trying to keep out? It's got flaps. We're good. This is the first thing I see. Can you zoom in and not drop the remote? Look at that in a minute. Ooh, I am unboxing. I want you guys to see me doing this so you know I'm not cheating. Oh, that must have been the bag for the remote. Sorry. Ooh. And instructions and a note from the FCC. How nice of them. He sent me a note in this box. I really appreciate that. Put that there so you can enjoy how it looks. Now we're going to go diving for the remote. Oh, since I have the remote in my hand, let's take a look at this. Now I've used a remote before. Just once though. And this looks similar except it only has those buttons. Yeah, fooled ya. I say 2 in Spanish. Looks like play. It's got some kind of triangle on it and a clock. Timer? Yeah, could be. Ooh, it's got a handy dandy string. It's got a tab on the back. It says pull and some other words in Spanish that I don't know how to pronunciate. Oh, maybe I wasn't supposed to do that. Is it like a timer and it's a bomb? Guess we'll find out. If I blow up, you know what happens. Okay, well it's got a plug. I know how to use one of these. I've plugged in something before, so don't worry about me. Ooh, and you can plug things into it. Wow, this gets more entertaining by the minute. And ooh, it has a big button on top. Look just like the ones on the remote. Countdown clock and a triangle. Ooh, more notes from the FCC. Oh no, UL. Boy, there's a bunch of them. I really want to make sure I got the point. Okay, let's look at the user manual. Ooh, I'm liking this. It unfolds very nicely. Nice crease job on here, very uniform. I give it a definite thumbs up on the folding. A whole bunch of points. I can't read any of this. I don't have my reading glasses with me, so I'll just read what I can to entertain you. Read and keep these instructions for future reference. Never do. Important safety instructions. Yeah. Do they know who they're talking to? Right. Oh, caution. Yes, they do know who they are talking to. Use and care. I will use it and care for it. Ooh, there's something important. Without the glasses, I can't read it, so I guess it's not that important. Troubleshooting. Oh, that's not a good sign. Something might go wrong. Anytime they add the troubleshooting section, that means it's going to get confusing. But at least it's a small area, so maybe I won't get too confused. Operating instructions. Oh, is a good thing to read. Oh, whew. According to this picture, it looks like the remote, and it is a remote, does not operate a bomb or does not explode, because they show me pulling the tab. It looks like they want me to do that to operate it. Or maybe you do pull that for it to explode. That's how it is a bomb, and I can't read the instructions. Yeah, we'll find out. Oh, what else we got? Battery replacement of remote control. Okay, so I guess there's a battery in here. Who would have thought? Ooh, more warnings. Caution and warnings. Not good with me. Fuse replacement. Ooh, I like things with fuses. That means I can add more power and blow it up. On the back page, which again, this is creased very nicely. It was very nicely folded. Look at that. Look at almost perfect. Okay, well, yeah. We'll just gloss over that. Ooh, there are functions on this. I like buttons and functions. Can't read what they are. Okay. So what do I think about this unboxing? The box is a box. That's pretty impressive, if you ask me. Parts that I expect it to be in there or in there. So kudos. Yeah. So this has been an unboxing of the LED LightWizard. You can purchase at Big Lots. I think Lowe's. I will be doing a smackdown comparison with this device and two other light controlling devices I have to see which one is top dog. Stay tuned for that one. So until next time, I'm going to take a drink from my water. Yeah.
Left engine.